Okay, your boss is giving you two lists, pretty long, and they want you to find out the difference between these two lists. So, how do you find that? Well, just highlight these two lists and then press the shortcut key Control backslash. That's it. The two highlighted value, and you just do a few color. These are the two items that is different from the June list. Cool, right? Now, next, what you have, how to find out a difference between two tables. These two tables is identical, and again, you want to find out what is the difference. And there are the similarity is that the table are the same. See, look at that. This table header and this header is exactly the same. Now in that case, you Control A to select the column for the first table, and then press Control C. Now you click on the second item here and you press Alternate ES. Select Subtract. Click OK. Look at that. These are the two items that are different from the first one. That's it. So now you know these are the two, and then you press Ctrl Z. Basically, these are the two, right? But you always can copy these to another area, and that's it. This is your 3-minute Excel shortcuts. Thanks for watching. God bless you. God bless Asia. Together we excel before 50.